to his, let's say, the 30 stuff.
Another weekend, a new story. I found a diamond in the darkest mine. We started speaking, a smooth talking, a tiptoe over the borderline.
Alright vlogs, we're here at Lorne. New series away. This is the Mount Center High. Yes sir! Alright, so here's a message to my 30-year-old.
Yeah.
Right now, you're massive sick car, successful.
This looks like a horror movie.
Nice.
Well, look like, you know when people are like vlogging their time in the woods and they're like, oh my goodness.
It's like the place where Logan Hole found his dead body.
So we got a dog here. Hang it home, cook him up. You're gonna walk. You have a walk. You chuck some garlic in there. You don't have to walk. You got one walk, but Ramsey. So he had to walk. Anyway, he's a walk, boy.